The passage of the Banking Amendment Bill 2015 by Parliament seeking to cap interest rate on loans at 4% above the central bank rate seems to have spurred banks into action, which has seen them come up with their own interventions to reduce lending rates. Banks, through the Kenya Bankers Association, have developed an MOU that they presented to Central Bank Governor Dr. Patrick Njoroge that commits all banks towards, among others, cancelling account closing charges, immediately reducing interest rates in line with last month's central bank rate reduction, and starting a 30 billion shillings fund for low-cost credit to SMEs, women and the youth.
An effective policy transmission. Banks will reduce interest rates and notify their customers immediately in line with the 25th July 2016 KBRR reduction. 2. Enhanced business model. Within the next 1 year, banks will work on enhancing business models towards reducing interest rates for mwananchi in a sustainable manner. 3. Cancellation of account closing charges.
Banks are expected to use information from credit reference bureaus to develop credit scores, which will see good borrowers advance loans at lower rates.
Point here is that if banks only report when things are getting worse, in a sense to punish you as a consumer, and do not report when things improve, meaning when you have you make your payments quickly or whatever else it is, then the whole framework falls apart. That's what we're trying to do. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done here. We've identified the pressure points, as it were, and I think we've also mentioned that there are other things we need to do. I don't want to emphasize them here, but expanding the net, as it were, of information that populates the systems in the credit reference bureaus. So there is some work there, a lot to be done by ourselves and the credit bureaus themselves, but also a lot to be done by the banks.
The banks will also enhance financial literacy by, among others, relaunching the cost of credit website to enable customers to compare bank products and put in place an electronic securities register.
Think of how banks price products. There was a very good example that you gave us just back there about whether the product is tied with something else, your credit card, or whether the product is zipped or unzipped and separated. Or for that matter, even decisions about how long. You know, is it a 1-year loan? Is it a 3-year loan? Is it all those things? That's all part of how the banks, or a particular point is that they need to evaluate that. And even, for instance, their costs. How do they actually do business with you?
Banks will also set up a 100 million shillings technical assistance program for micro and medium-sized enterprises. Nicholas Nduwati, Channel 1 News.